Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. For today's non-spooky Halloween look, we are going to be creating some 3D ghost Mickey Mouse type art, as well as some hand-drawn stuff. So for today's video, I got this cute little lamp from AliExpress, and it is to help you put on the Lazy Girl method nails with polygel or the appraise system. And as you can see, I'm going to be using full cover tips, and I'm going to be applying them with polygel. I already went ahead and sized all of my nails to fit my natural nails, and with a little bit of clear polygel, I am just going to go ahead and apply it onto my natural nail. And in this case, I took them off after the video ended, but if you want these to last, you should apply a layer of base coat both on your natural nail and on the underside of the false nails. Also, I will definitely make sure to leave a link to this little lamp. I got it from AliExpress for like a couple euros. It wasn't very expensive. And the most important thing is that it works wonderfully. I think it's a little bigger than the Chiara Sky lamp. It looks pretty similar to it, and it's super easy to use and dries the nails very well. So make sure to grab one. So after all of the nails have cured, I'm going to just take a file and smooth out the rough edges of the fake tips. And then we're going to apply a layer of base coat to all of the nails to make sure that our polish is going to stick and stay on beautifully and smoothly. And the color I chose for today's video is called Blossom, and I really think it's not your typical Halloween color, but I just thought that it would be a great idea to try and create something a little different that's more girly and, you know, not what everybody would wear with splatter and red and black. I did draw on black details, as you'll see later on, but I really love this color and I thought it was a great chance to use it. Now here's another little product that I got from AliExpress, which I really like. It's this super metallic silver gel, and it comes in this cute tiny little pot with this gorgeous lid, and as you can see, it's super reflective and very pretty and pigmented. And with this, I went ahead and I painted on some spider webs. So I just went ahead and I painted on those circular spider webs all over the nail, kind of to fill out the blank space and make it look all sparkly and cute and creepy, I guess. For my little 3D Mickey ghost, I went ahead and used a combination of this beautiful pink 3D gel, the white one, and also this darker purple, and I just went ahead and I picked up a bit of each one of the colors with my spatula, and I placed them on this little silicone mat that I have, and then I started mixing them together to create my custom color. I kind of wanted to replicate the color of the nails, just make it a little bit more dark so that it kind of looks like he's hiding, you know, as if he's invisible, but not really because it's the same color. I don't know if that makes sense, but that was just my way of thinking. I hope you get it and you like it. But yeah, and then just went ahead and I smoothed it onto the nail, and then with some black 3D gel I added some ears. Then I grabbed a thin detail brush and my black Vanillisa paint, and I went ahead and I outlined the little ghost. I added a few details like creases, and then I went ahead and I took a dotting tool and I painted on Mickey's eyes. I painted on his nose. And then with my liner brush, I created sort of like a creepy mouth, I guess. And I also gave him a bit of a smile later on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. For the next part, I will continue using my liner brush and my black gel polish, and I'm going to go ahead and hand paint some bats. And this was a little tricky, it took me some tries to get this done. It was honestly the lengthier part of the video, but after all they turned out pretty cute. I'm pretty happy with how they are since they're not stickers, and yeah, I hope you liked them as well. So after painting on all of the bats, I decided to also add some of those silver spider webs on my thumb, just to make it, not so plain. And I actually had a lot more space to work with, so I think this spider web turned out the cutest out of all of them. And now it's finally time for bling. So I had these gorgeous purple and pink rhinestones that I got a while ago, and I decided to use an assortment of these on the nails for today. And as always, I used my Vanillissa nail glue and some top coat without curing it, and I went ahead and I slowly started placing them in the middle of the spider webs and all over the rest of the nails wherever I thought it would look cute. As I always say, you can never have too much sparkle on your nails, so just go ahead and add as many rhinestones as you wish wherever you think they would look the cutest. After all of the nails have cured, I went ahead and I added some cuticle oil to nourish my cuticles. And here's the final look! I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was so much fun to put these cute girly Halloween nails together. So if you liked them, make sure to leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought. Subscribe for more videos every single Tuesday. And make sure to leave me suggestions for future videos. And with that, I will see you guys next week. Have a great Halloween. Bye!